Shoma, there are a lot of things happening in this kingdom as we speak. I feel this is not the best time for you to come back.
Father, I don't understand what you're saying. I have finished what I'm doing at Nemo, and I decided to come back.
Listen, our family has come under severe scrutiny by practically everyone in this land. It's something that I wanted to handle personally. I wouldn't want my precious daughter to be involved. That is what I am saying.
Father, has this got to do with what I heard?
What did you hear?
That Kelechi is now a thief.
Will you shut up? How can you say things like that about your only brother? Are you normal? Why are you listening to gossip?
Father, I am not listening to gossip. In fact, Ada was here earlier today. What? I am yet to recover from the slap she gave me.
Are you serious? She was here?
Yes. She was actually leaving when I was coming in. I finally got to know that it was Kelechi she came to look for. Father, if what I heard is true, then we have to do something about it.
Do something like what? What have I not done? Okay, let me ask you. Since you came back, have you set eyes on your brother? The answer, I presume, is no. Because he is nowhere to be found. That is my biggest problem right now.
Forget about Golibe. Something mightier than 100 Golibe put together is standing here before me. Please, come and sit down. Let's talk about the security of the kingdom.
Why didn't I see this coming? He got the best of me already. And now, he has the guts to say that Ada is better than me. 100 times over.
Yes. What is it?
He sent me.
Who sent you?
The prince. Listen, you will not understand what happened back there. Believe me, Golibe, it has something to do with the evil spirit that lives inside Ada. That evil spirit has a way of making people talk off the point.
Agozie, do you know what? Just leave this place now. And never you come back here to discuss anything about the prince.
Why? Eh? Listen, if you fail to forgive the prince, he will die. He will just die.
Should I tell you the truth? That serves him right. He is so heartless and doesn't deserve to live. If I, Golibe, can kill, I will kill him myself.
Please, tell me what you want me to pay for this evil I did to you. And I will pay immediately.
You want to know what you will do to pay for the evil you did, right?
Say it.
Just wait here. I am coming.
Golibe.
Please,
Who are you running? You should have come back here.
Stop insulting me, Agozie. I am the prince of this kingdom. The kind of words you use on me.
Obinna, do you know your problem? Your greatest problem is that you are dealing with Agozie. The only one that says it the way it is.
What nonsense are you saying? That Golibe should get away with this? No.
No. What are you going to do? Send masquerades to flog the same maiden you said you love?
Shut up, you fool. You and I know that in this kingdom, no one is allowed to breed dogs. Our young men are already empowered to kill any dog at sight. And this maiden is not only breeding a dog, but had the guts to send the dog against me, Prince Obinna of this kingdom. No. I want to assure you, Golibe will never, ever get away with this. I promise.
Should I tell you the truth, Obinna? Eh? She has already gotten away with it. Am I not the one that volunteered to beg her on your behalf?
Agozie.
And you followed me to make a fool of me back there.
Agozie,
Why?
shut up. I came in there because I wanted to help you. You were already talking nonsense.
What?
You were making a very bad presentation.
Me? I was already making a bad presentation. Obinna, you know what? This is your problem. Solve it.
Come back here, Agozie. Don't walk away from your prince.
Very good. With the way you are going in this kingdom, you may end up not seeing any maiden to marry in this kingdom. Ayakulia.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Ozo Kalibe, the chief priest of this kingdom, has not succeeded in removing you as the king of this land. Will you claim you don't know it's because of me?
What are you saying, Ono? Are you now going to blackmail me or what?
I am the one that is feeling betrayed already, Your Majesty. Yes, you were not supposed to be the king. I was the one who used my vast knowledge of charms to impose you as the king of this land. Why suddenly have you decided to gang up with other men in council against me? What?
Oh no, you are missing the point. This is not about you. This is about your son Kelechi, who is terrorizing our people. Yes. See, if we don't do something about it, you know it, our people will revolt against the throne.
Did you manage to ask me anything about this before bringing me before men in council to humiliate me? No, have you managed to ask yourself why Kelechi, my son, the gentle Kelechi you used to know, very noble son of mine that was committed to the peace and progress of this kingdom, have you managed to ask yourself why suddenly he turned and is now terrorizing the land? Did you ask yourself anything?
Oh no, you're sounding as though there is more to this.
Exactly. Did you ask me? Did you ask me to explain anything before bringing me here to make the discussion open in council?
But how am I supposed to know? No. How am I supposed to know? If not that Okulonka brought this to my notice, how would I have known?
Now you know. One of the shams I brought to make you king is what has risen now to destroy my son. Yes. His problem is that one of the shams that made you king has risen to destroy him. I have been doing everything possible to solve the problem, including making loads of sacrifices in all the junctions of this kingdom where three roads meet, believing that I will solve the problem. I never wanted to disturb anybody because I kept believing that it's my problem and that I will solve it.
This is strange. Okay, oh no, what do you want me to do?
Very simple, Onyeze. You are the king of this kingdom.
Yes.
You know it yourself that we manipulated the process to make you the king. I want you to stay out of this case. Do not discuss it anymore, so that it will die a natural death. When men in council raise the topic, overrule it. Don't discuss it. If you take sides in this case and I lose my son, you will lose the throne. I want you to think about this critically and decide what you will do.
Do we all see it? This boils down to the same thing I've been warning us against. We have become a problem to this kingdom, that we cannot even stay in our own homes.
Will you just shut up?
And I refuse to shut up. I refuse to shut up, Kelechi. Listen, we have to make a decision. And that has to be done now.
What useless decision are you planning to make? Huh?
Sopolo, I will not warn you again. For the last time, just shut up. I am thinking.
You know what? I am leaving this place.
Oh, you won't die.
I will leave! And I swear. And let me warn any of you that will try to play the hero here. Let me warn you. Because I know you will eventually kill me. But before that happens, I swear by the gods, I will kill one person first.
I swear by God. If you... Sopolo, I'll remove your teeth.
Hey! Stop there! Hey! Run! Run! They are robbers and they are planning to rob you! Run!
Are you mad?
Are you mad? I'll kill you.
You said you are robbers and then you're planning to rob me.
We are not robbers.
What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean?
Judging from what I saw back there, the information came to the king with a huge shock. And I am sure he's going to do something about it.
I have searched practically everywhere in this kingdom. And I can boldly confirm to you that Kelechi and those bad boys of his are no longer in this kingdom.
Where could they be?
I do not know, Father. But I have this feeling that they already know I'm searching for them. And they have decided not to return here again.
Ada, what if they decide to attack anyone or any family in this kingdom at night?
That will be the worst mistake of their lives. Because through the prince, I have been able to secure the services of the warriors. They will be caught red-handed and physically dealt with if they try to attack any family or anyone again.
The prince surely is the head of the security network in this kingdom. But talking about commitment, I do not think he is committed to that task.
Why did you say that, Father? Are you by any chance suspecting anything?
Don't worry about it. Let us just hope and pray that things do not go from bad to worse.
I have not always wanted to be part of them, but they have continued to force me. So this evening I decided to take my destiny in my own hands, and I am very glad you came right on time.
I see. I actually want to see the chief priest of your land.
By this time, I think it is too late.
How do you mean? Are you saying that the chief priest would not be at his shrine by now?
His name is Ozo Kalibe. I know him very well, and he doesn't come to the shrine except there are special rituals to be performed.
Exactly. And that is what I want to do. I want to present a very big cock to the chief priest of your land. Is there possible that you could introduce me to someone that sells?
You, a man of Uruaku Kingdom, is here to offer a cock to the central deity of my land? How?
Father, I am sorry. But your attitude towards this issue is giving me reason to get worried.
Worried about what? This is Shoma. When you lack information on any topic, the ideal thing you have to do as a normal human being is to avoid discussing that topic.
Well, Kelechi, my brother, is the topic. And I am eminently qualified to discuss it. Father, Kelechi has not managed to explain to us what he does for a living. And from what I gathered, he has been spending so much money, and you are not even bothered.
Who told you that I am not bothered? Where are you getting that from? Who told you that I'm not bothered? You have been very unfair to your father by sitting down here to allege that I have not been doing something, because I have done a whole lot.
Father, I have gone around. I have interacted with people. Are you aware that Kelechi does not come home sometimes? Are you aware that he keeps late nights? Father, I have this feeling that Kelechi is going astray, and we have to call him to order. If possible, let us make sacrifices to help him.
Can you hear yourself? You came back from Nemo only today, and you have gone around to interact with people, discussing your own family. What kind of a woman are you? Listen to me. There are forces that are determined to destroy this our family. Those are forces that perverted your brother and turned him into a thief. Yes. And we are doing a whole lot already to solve that problem. So stop playing into their hands by doing what you're doing, sounding the way you're sounding. Going around this place discussing your brother only today. Stop that.
Father, with forces trying to destroy my family. Who are these forces, if I may ask?
You know it yourself that we manipulated the process to make you the king. I want you to stay out of this case. Do not discuss it anymore, so that it will die a natural death. When men in council raise the topic, overrule it. Don't discuss it. If you take sides, in this case and I lose my son, you will lose the throne. I want you to think about this critically.
Greetings, Father. You sent for me.
Yes, I did. Sit.
I am not comfortable with your mood. Is everything all right?
I understand you have instructed the warriors to arrest Kelechi, the son of the Onowu, and bring him to you.
Yes, Father. Kelechi has formed a formidable, deadly gang terrorizing the innocent citizens. As warriors, we have decided to handle them before they get out of hand.
I want you to dismantle the security apparatus you've already put in motion. I want you to ask all your warriors to stand down. You erred in your judgment. There is a reason for what is happening. And if you continue with your structure to get him arrested, you might be provoking the Onowu, and he could rock the ship. Yes.
It is obvious, Father, that there is something you are not telling me. Open up to me and we can understand ourselves as men.
God. There was a man from Ibira village who was supposed to be the king. The stage was set for him to emerge as the king. But I desperately wanted to be king. I engaged the services of Ichiodunze, who later became the Onowu. He devised ways to eliminate the man.
What? You killed a man for this?
We couldn't kill him for he was too strong. He refused to be killed. Onowu traveled all the way to Olu, got a powerful charm that forced the man out of this kingdom. He ran away, never to return.
Who is this man?
The identity of the man is not important. He was not a very popular man. His family, everything about his family has been totally wiped off the annals of this land. The problem now is that one of the charms the Onowu brought from Olu is what has made the son a thief. We have a duty to protect the Onowu and his family. Else, he will divulge the secret, and we will be irrelevant in the land.
Oh! What kind of trouble is this?
Greetings, Agoze, the good man of my land, destined to wine and dine with the mighty.
I don't know what you are doing with this one. He has been associating with criminals, and I can tell you here and now that he's a criminal.
Agoze, I understand, but let me surprise you. I am now a new man. All the time I was with Kelechi, it was because I was under duress. He threatened to kill me if I abandoned them.
Fine. So what are you doing here this early? With this one who has been planning all his life to kill me with his bare hands.
Trust me, Agozi. We have come in peace. And if you receive us in peace, then we will tell you why we are here.
Yes. Well, he actually came in yesterday. Although it was very late, so I asked him to pass the night at my place.
You are telling me you're no longer angry with me, but I do not believe you. You are the first person to visit me this morning. Why have you refused to sit down?
That is because I am not here to sit. To be honest with you, Obinna, I couldn't sleep last night.
Why? Are you sick? Give me the confirmation that you're not feeling okay, and I shall send words to Odipo the herbalist, and he will be here immediately.
Do not worry yourself about me. I am all right.
Why then were you unable to sleep last night?
I need a feedback on the warriors. Have they been able to locate the exact location of those miscreants? Because I need to deal with them.
We cancelled the operation. So, there will be no need to refer to anyone as a miscreant.
Excuse me? What did you just say?
You heard me. I sit at the head of the security network in this kingdom. I am sure you know that. You acknowledged that yesterday. We have investigated your accusations and found out that they were false. And I've asked the warriors to stand down.
I humble myself before your highness, my prince of Eshimeshi Kingdom.
How many times have I told you about this form of greeting? I mean, if you continue greeting me this way, how then will you greet my father, the king?
My prince, different greetings for different authorities. I came to announce that breakfast is served at the eating wings of the king for you and your guests.
Thank you.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you, my king.
Breakfast is served, my love. And I am sure you will not refuse a royal breakfast. It has never happened before. So come with me. Let's eat and continue our discussion.
Can you explain that rubbish you uttered before your cook came to announce to you that your breakfast is ready?
It's obvious you never heard me. We discovered that your allegations were false, and so I asked the warriors to stand down.
They're right after all, because anyone hoping to get justice from this palace can as well be hoping to get furnace of fire from the lake.
Furnace of fire from the lake. How is that possible?
They told me that I can buy a very big cock from you. So I have come to see if you will sell one to me. And also accompany me to see the chief priest.
How can you say that? I have been guiding you since yesterday, and as a matter of fact, you slept in my hut. If there's anyone to take you around, it should be me. Why telling Agozie? Why are you excluding me?
Do not take this personal, my friend. I am not excluding you. You are still my friend. But I want you to understand that this is a spiritual thing. We are dealing with Wanyiki Bia of Obodonta, the beautiful seer. She lays so much emphasis on purity. You just repented, my friend. And I am sure you have not done any sort of spiritual purification, which means your sins are still with you. I am sorry I cannot go with you on this mission.
Do you know what? Because of this thing you just said, I will not only give you a good cock, but I will accompany you as you wish. Sapolo, you should be thanking him for opening your eyes. You need purification sacrifice. And considering what you have committed with that idiot called Kelechi, you need a cow. A very big cow. Wait for me. Let me get you the very good cock.
Why are you behaving as if you're not bothered? Atakata Abo is your friend that you have known all your life. Why are you suddenly behaving as if he never meant anything to you?
Okay, Chukwu, what exactly do you want me to do? I should start to cry or panic because a grown man has traveled to another kingdom to spend one night.
What is wrong with you, Deline? Does it mean you have not been listening to me?
I heard everything you said, Okechukwu. But the one I don't understand is how that has become part of my problems.
The prince of that kingdom came to this land to warn him to stay away from that maiden.
And he has continued going after her. For she is the one he wants. I don't know why you are finding it difficult to understand that.
Deline, I know you once loved my friend. I'm aware that you had wanted to be his wife.
Until my father said no. For the so-called Atakata Abo is not from this land.
What kind of useless talk is that? How can you say that Atakata Abo, my own childhood friend, is not from this land?
Well, I don't blame you for not knowing. For even him doesn't even know. His father ran from Eshimeshi kingdom with his pregnant wife because there were some forces that wanted them dead. His mother died after delivering the baby. And the frustrated father, before he equally died, handed the baby over to Ogbuefi Okomadu. It is possible that he has decided to trace his roots. And I think you should wish him good luck. Yeah.
How come I don't know about this? Do I really know anything about this kingdom?
Your Majesty, what you are saying and the way you are saying it sounds strange to me.
You are not the only one, Ichiago. It was here we agreed that we will deal with the issue decisively. But I am surprised the king is saying something else.
Why do I have a council that will always misunderstand me? I am not saying that we should not deal with the matter. What I said was that we should tread cautiously to avoid setting a bad precedent. That was all. What is it you don't understand?
It's very simple. They're just being mischievous.
With due respect, my king, we are already setting a bad precedent with this meeting and the agenda that is set before us. News have gotten to the bad boys that security structure is set against them, and they disappeared. As you know here, he will confirm that his son did not sleep in his compound last night.
And Ishi Udoka, what is wrong with a man of this kingdom deciding not to sleep in his compound? No, can you swear before any deity that you have been sleeping in your compound every other night?
Why is he
running? No, why are we arguing like children here?
Oh no, let me ask him. Did you sleep in Onowu's compound to know that his son did not sleep in the house?
And did you sleep in Onowu's compound to know that his son slept in his house?
No, have you been sleeping in your compound every other night? Uchago! Be mindful of what we say.
Did you sleep in Onowu's house to know that his son slept in
Enough! Oh no, I am shocked that you are the one sounding this way. Are we sure there is not a hidden agenda somewhere? How can we all agree on something today, and tomorrow we are saying something else? Why?
Ezioku Amaka, may the gods continue to bless you for standing by the truth.
He will bless all of us.
Excluding you.
Excluding you.
There is a hidden agenda already, and that's why we have been compelled to step down from the noble cause we are pursuing.
Ichi Udoka, what exactly do you mean by a hidden agenda? And who are the people you are making part of this hidden agenda?
You don't know? You don't know?
Hold on. Your Majesty, I cannot cough out mucus and swallow it because of hunger. It's not possible. I am not that kind of man. What I am seeing here is that this kingdom is gradually drifting into anarchy. And if finally it happens, nobody should hold anybody responsible, because I believe we tried the best we could to stop it.
Ichagu, your daughter.
If you mention my daughter here,
your family is already drifted into anarchy. They're your family, not this kingdom. Not this kingdom. Your family is already anarchy.
Your son, let me tell you, your son. Where are you? And you.
Enough of this madness.
The more I try to dismiss it, the more it dawns on me that I cannot. They're hiding something, and I'm struggling so hard to find a way to unravel it.
If you will listen to me as your friend, please leave whatever that has to do with security to the men.
Are you serious, Uruni? The same men who are unwilling to do anything. If we don't rise up in this land and take our destinies in our own hands, then we may wake up one morning and find out that this entire kingdom is under siege. I tell you.
So, you know who we are. And you and that your useless friend wants to dare us in this community.
You think I do not know you?
Take it easy on him, madam. I just recalled the role he played on that day I was attacked, and I believe he's here for a purpose.
Then start talking now!
If I'm allowed to say something, I will say that we should get out of here and go back into the kingdom.
And what exactly shall we be doing then, Edu? I'm thinking that the best thing right now is to set up another kingdom here. Create villages. Go and kidnap some maidens who will become our wives. And before you know it, we shall become a very strong kingdom. We can call ourselves Obudike Ondi Karaka Kingdom. Yes.
Ako, at times I begin to wonder if you suckled your mother's breast at all. What are you saying?
Kelechi or whatever they call you, I won't take that from you. Forget the fact we refer to you as the leader. You don't have the monopoly of wisdom, so you should know how to talk back at people.
How dare you, Ako? You raise your hand at me. You ask me if
if I think I can do anything to you.
What do you think you can do, Kelechi?
Ako, we'll stop this madness.
What madness?
See, we have a serious problem here. We should be thinking on how to solve it and not all this noise.
How come you look at me at the face? You point at me and ask me if I think I can do anything to you.
Listen to me.
Kelechi, you will do nothing.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Supple has finally escaped. This is what he has been planning since we brought him. Does it not bother us? He might go out there and start saying damaging things against us.
So what are you suggesting?
Now listen. Let us now leave here. We must eliminate Supple before he gathers support and becomes a terrible witness against us. That's what we must do now.
Not joking. I won't be looking for you to tell you if it was just a joke. He slept in my house last night, and as we speak, he is with the chief priest.
What is he doing with the chief priest?
Well, he did not say much, but I am certain it's for something good.
What of Kelechi and his group? Do you mean to say they will not return to this kingdom again?
Kelechi has become extremely deadly and very unpredictable. I suspect a strange spirit lives in him. And if he comes back into this kingdom, it will be deadly for us because he's planning to come back with guns.
Hey. How is that ever possible? Who is going to give him guns?
He's negotiating. He is negotiating with the men of Otwacha. He called them merchants. And as we speak, the plans for the guns are already on ground.
He can go and get all the guns in the world and come back. I, Adago, will be here waiting for him. Finally, when he returns, he will discover that I am not one of those his guns can kill.
What have you done?
What stupid question is that? You all were here when this animal looked me in the face and asked me what I can do to him. Yes, I stabbed him. And I swear by the gods, if he wakes up again, I will stab him and his soul to death again. If we continue to lose our men, how do we win this war? I don't care! Yes, I don't care! You must be a fool to ask me such question. Do you think I need a crowd to win this war? Listen, I do not need any of you to win this war. I am a winner! And I must become the king of Eshimeshi kingdom, whether you like it or not. The king of this same Eshimeshi kingdom where we left. Do you think I don't have a reason to setting up this network? Listen, I must become the king of Eshimeshi kingdom. And everyone in this kingdom will beg me to become their king. Is it not obvious? That this man is losing his senses. And we must find a solution for his insanity. Then I must have killed you before doing that.
Obuefi Okomado, a great man of the gods. I am certain he gave you the box of your father. The simple looking box is your life and future. Where is it?
Obuefi.
It's a special gift from a father to his son. Keep it very safe, son.
Oh, what is it for?
This box you're holding might look simple, but it's your life. It is your future. So keep it very safe. A day will come when the great man will ask you for the box of your father. Take it to him, and he will unveil all the mysteries. Do not rush anything in life, for you have an appointment with the gods.
I remember everything. He said everything you just said. He told me that the small box that looks so simple is my life and my future. He gave it to me, and I kept it in my room.
The cock you brought is not for the central deity of Eshimeshi Kingdom. It is the cock we are going to kill in your father's compound at Ibira village. But first, you must go back to where you kept the box and bring it. Nothing happens without the box, for it is the summation of all things.
This is still very strange to me. You mean to say that he is a man of this kingdom?
A bona fide son of the soil, sent away by the evil men who have continued to manipulate the ways of the gods. But I always ask, no matter how smart they become, no matter how hard they try, can men manipulate the gods?
Ichie Udoka, my instincts has never deceived me. And that same instinct of mine is telling me right now that there is something the king is hiding. And I think we must go to consult Ozo Kalibe.
I beg your pardon. Huh? Do you want the king to buy you from the council? Huh? He already has made a declaration that Ozo Kalibe is no longer the chief priest. What are you telling me?
And ever since he made such useless declaration, who has been involved in the duties of the gods in place of the chief priest? Has it not been the same Ozo Kalibe which he claimed to have bad? Now let me ask you, can a king bar a chief priest? Eye of the gods, the custodian of our ancestors? Where is it done? No, tell me, where is it done in the whole of Igbo land? You are staring at me.
Where are you saying this now? Why didn't you say it like 20 years ago when the declaration was made? Why?
Oh. For the fact that the gods never permitted me to say it before now, or all this while, does not mean that it is not a fact. It is a fact, an undiluted fact. Ozo Kalibe is the chief priest. And we must go to consult him.
In fact, I've already gone to Mobo to book for the evening palm wine. I will kill a cock and prepare oven ulife with pounded yam. I want to celebrate a new brother as already confirmed by the chief priest. You are invited.
Touch me like that one more time and I will cut off your fingers. Why do I have this nauseating feeling that you are among those fools who undermine the power of my father, the king?
How? No. How have I been doing that? Eh? Have I not been calling you the prince? Have I not been calling your father the king? Eh? No. Have I not been referring to this place as a palace?
Why do you keep referring to Ozo Kalibe as the chief priest?
This is where we will disagree. Yeah? Ozo Kalibe is one that can dethrone your father. And that is because he is the chief priest of this land. Your father has no right to depose the chief priest, or not possible. It's not possible.
Akozie, you annoy me. Seriously.
Obinna, I am telling you the truth. I am sorry that you may see it as an insult, but it is not. It is not. Huh? That your father abused his power as the king and said that he has banned the chief priest will not make it valid. No! Up to tomorrow, all the major masquerades we have in this land kneel before Ozo Kalibi before they depart from this kingdom. Have they ever come to kneel before your father? Eh? Because once they are consumed by the power of the masquerades, they will see the ancient authority where it is.
Agozie, get out of my sight.
Ha! No wonder! Now I know why you have been defending the evil Kelechi. Obinna. So, he has already settled you with this is useless sister.
Hey, stop it!
Taka, what is that? What is it?
Stop it! Am I the one you are calling useless?
Slip of the tongue. I'm actually the useless one, for I've not seen this nonsense before now. Huh? What is it? Ha!
I wonder what the prince is doing with a useless character like you. Who is an idiot? You are What are you doing with a useless character like this?
Agozie, I am still the prince of this kingdom.
So you mean Dinini was right after all? You're not a man of Uruaku?
Confusing, but true. I don't know why the gods have kept this away from me all these years. I shall return to Ishimeshi Kingdom with the box. I have a feeling that there is something that box will expose in that land.
So eventually, if you go back to Ishimeshi Kingdom, what happens to this place?
Now I know why Obuefi Ukwamadu set up this place for me and made me independent of his wife and children. Knowing that someday I will find out the truth and I will go back to my root Ishimeshi Kingdom where I truly belong. And then my brother, his true son Ugunabo, will take back his father's property.
This whole arrangement is getting me confused and I'm missing you already.
I don't want to believe that you are planning to exempt yourself from the atonement sacrifice that I shall be performing in my father's compound tomorrow at Ibira village, Ishimeshi Kingdom.
Are you asking me to come along?
Are you joking with me? How on earth am I supposed to carry on with this mission without you, my best friend? Go home. Prepare yourself. We shall leave at sunrise.
Really?
I listened to everything he said. And I am surprised you don't see the danger.
And what makes you think I have not seen the danger?
Well, if you have seen the danger, you shouldn't be here with me. You should be with the warriors planning how to safeguard the boundaries so he doesn't bring in the useless box into this kingdom.
Chioma, the intelligent daughter of Ono. You know, I am convinced that he reproduced you with everything in him.
That is what it is. He reproduced me with everything in him. Listen, I am already close to you, and I want to be close to you forever. You should learn to listen to me so we don't make a mistake.
Yes, my queen. And your advice shall be implemented immediately. And the borders will be locked down tomorrow. I promise.
Father, I do not know what is happening to me. Suddenly I discover that I derive joy in taking what does not belong to me. I have tried everything I could to resist this urge, but it is not working for me.
Trust me, son, when I say our enemies are at work. They are determined to destroy this family, but they are not going to succeed because we are doing everything possible to solve the problem.
And now it is pushing me to acquire guns.
What?
Yes, Father. I have been discussing with some merchants from Otuocha, and they will supply me with guns.
And what are you planning to do with guns?
What kind of question is that, Father?
Very important question. What are you doing with guns?
What have we gained from Igwe Akubweze since he ascended the throne? Nothing. I will kill that old fool and declare myself king.
What?
That is what the guns are coming for.
Are you out of your mind? You want to become a king and rule over your father? Who is telling you this? Listen to me. What you are planning may happen in all other kingdoms. It cannot happen in Echimechi kingdom. You cannot be king over your father.
Father, your useless tradition and customs will not stop me, because my mind is already made up. The incompetent king has not been ruling this kingdom all alone. He has been ruling this kingdom with an incompetent Onowu. So if the king is going to pave way for a new order, then the Onowu must go with him. Look at me, Father. I am the new order. Well, thank you for reminding me that you are equally included. So, what then happens to the evening?
Is this what you have become, Kelechi? No, you are telling me to my face that you are planning to kill me to become a king?
Not just a king, Father, but a functioning one that will transform this, our land, into a thriving kingdom, where everyone will live their lives without any custom or tradition restricting them. That is what I will do, Father.
This is the time to compel the king to lift the staff of Anunwebe and banish this evil spirit that is tormenting my son. The sacrifices I have been making in all the junctions in this land to solve the problem has been very useless. They are not working at all. The staff of Anunwebe will do the magic, and the time to lift it is now.
Come. What is it? What is it? Chukuma, why are you doing this? You know I am preparing to celebrate a brother.
Agozie, you may end up not having any brother to celebrate if you fail to listen to what I'm about to tell you now.
Yes, yeah, okay, what is it? No, be fast in saying it. Because Nwobo has already brought the fresh palm wine for me.
Look, the prince has issued a secret order to the warriors to lock down all the boundaries. Tomorrow, listen, he was very specific. Kill the man of Uruak. Do not allow him enter into this kingdom with the boss of his father.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
Chukuma, who told you this?
That was the information they passed to Osorone, my cousin. And you know how deadly he can be when it comes to protecting this kingdom.
I know.
As I am talking to you now, he is preparing a deadly charm. And I know that young man cannot escape whatever they are planning.
This is serious. Hey. Chukuma, What are we going to do?
Very simple. Let us travel to Uruaku as a matter of urgency and warn the man. Let him stop whatever sacrifice he is preparing.
But that sacrifice is his life and future. The chief priest already said it. That it will be the beginning of a lot of things.
I understand you've been looking for me everywhere. I have come to present myself to you, face to face. But tell me, Ada, will you kill the one who loves you?
Excuse me? The one who loves me? And who could that be, if I may ask?
Who else but me? Listen, Ada, even your enemies give it to you that you are a force to reckon with in this kingdom. I have looked into the future and into that era when I will sit as a king. And I ask myself, who is this maiden qualified to be my queen? And the answer falls back to you.
Will you just shut up and allow me process the rubbish you just uttered? You intend to emerge as a king. King of which land?
King of this kingdom, Mother. And I am not joking. Because I have planned everything so perfectly well. Listen, Ada. I shall be the king. And I want you to be my queen when the time comes. Listen, Ada. Please. Say yes to me. And I will see you as a friend and dismantle every destruction I have planned down for you already, okay?
Ow!
Make a move and I will decapitate your head from your body. We have had enough of you in this kingdom, Kelechi. Enough is enough.
Kelechi, your cup is full. And we the youths of this kingdom are tired of you.
Move an inch closer to her and I will cut your flesh into pieces of meat and feed them to the hungry crocodiles.
Yes.
I can see. Now I know what my few days of absence has cost. So, you now have hired idiots, fools, that guard you with sword and axe. We shall see.
Shall see nothing. Shall see nothing. Hey, are you leaving already?
You told me that I cannot have you. And I understand. But for the feelings I have for you, I will protect and defend you all the days of my life.
Wait. Chidubem, thank you very much. Thank you too, Ebuka. Both of you may not understand, but what you just did and said is something that will live with me for a very long time. Thank you once again, noble men of my land. I appreciate. And I seize this opportunity to apologize to you for how I had treated you in the past. I was surely under the influence of something then. But believe me, I am new now. I am sorry from my heart. Sorry.
What are you even two talking about? I am telling you that Ada now has some hired fools that protect her. And you're asking me to forget that?
Why are you bothering yourself over something useless? See, as I speak with you right now, some men are out there asking after Ako.
The same Aku you murdered for speaking his mind. Is that not supposed to be your problem?
So what are you implying now? Will you go around the kingdom telling everyone that I murdered Akum?
Hey, but you killed him now. Are you not the one that killed him?
I'm sorry, Afam, but there is a reason we are here. I don't know why you have allowed Kelechi to hijack this meeting.
This is unbelievable. Are you not confirming to me that you've been meeting at my back? How dare you tell me to my face that I hijacked a meeting? Am I not the leader of this gang anymore?
Go ahead and call it anything. And give yourself any position. But be reminded that we are no longer with you in this nonsense. What? If it was a sham you used to cage us, we are free from it. So from now onwards, whatsoever plan you have, count us out.
What is he saying? Is he not aware that we want to hijack the throne and rule this kingdom the way we want? Is he not aware he's a member in council already?
Kelechi.
What nonsense is he talking about?
Listen to me, Kelechi. Listen to me. If you live to hijack this throne, if you succeed to hijack this throne, rule alone. Count me Afam out. Count me out.
Even you?
Yes.
Is this a conspiracy or what? I think it's high time I killed every one of them and bring in strangers to become my subjects.
As I talk with you right now, all the warriors of the Ishmeshi kingdom have been mobilized. They are all getting their charms ready, and I am certain they will arrest you and possibly kill you. I am pleading with you. Do not come to Ishmeshi tomorrow. Oh?
Thank you very much, my good friend Agozie. You have indeed proven to me that I have a reliable friend in you.
Oh, thank you very much, Atakata Abo. You see, this is why I like wise people. If it were to be some other people that I labor to come and warn, they will dismiss it as nothing. But here you are. You accepted it already. And now I know that you will live long.
Your advice came in good faith.
Thank you very much.
And that is why I'm thanking you.
Oh, you're welcome, my brother.
But I am sorry to disappoint you, my good friend. That advice is not for me. I will not take it.
What do you mean by that?
Go back to Ishimeshi Kingdom and wait for me. Before the sun becomes harsh on the body tomorrow, I shall be standing face to face, eyeball to eyeball with Ozo Okalibe in his compound.
Eh? No. How are you going to do that? Atakatabo, did you hear when I said that the entire warriors of Ishmeshi Kingdom have locked? That is, they have locked down the kingdom. How are you going to do that?
My good friend, there is something mightier than the entire warriors of Ishimishi Kingdom. It is Omabuluokwe, the masquerade of Uraku Kingdom. And that masquerade is me. Atakata War, the ruthless fighter of Uraku Kingdom. I will come to Ishimishi Kingdom by tomorrow with the box of my father. Let me see that force that will stand against me.
What you are holding is the sacred staff of Anunwebe. On a good day, when the gods approve, it can do anything. It can kill anyone. We have had instances where it brought people back to life.
So, Father, what am I doing with this?
His father wanted me to declare healing and deliverance on it, but I had my own plans. That idiot referred to me as an incompetent king. He even had the gods to order guns from Otwocha to kill me and become king. Listen, Obina, he doesn't deserve to live. Point this staff at him and order him to die. Let me see how he will survive until tomorrow.
Father, I don't know what you want me to do, but Kelechi is always with his friends. And if I point this at him, someone might see me.
Listen, Obina, you have a duty to do this discreetly. We already have a problem in the fool coming from Oruako. Kelechi must be eliminated as soon as possible. I don't want too many problems on my hands. Trace him to his art. Do the needful.
The powerful man of Eshimeshi Kingdom. This one, you are washing your mouth this early. I hope you're not planning to start eating dried meat and not wait for me to prepare a nice breakfast for you.
Where did you spend the night?
That is not a nice way to start the morning.
Sure, but don't provoke me with your crafty diversion this morning. I asked the question, where was your night spent?
I was with the prince.
Can you hear yourself? So it is no longer cheaply throwing yourself at him. Now you are shamelessly spending the night in his hut.
Nam, there is nothing wrong with that. He was not feeling okay yesterday because of the bad news his father broke to him about the one coming with the box of the father. And so I decided to stay with him and console my...
Let this be the very last time this will happen. Don't provoke me, Shoma, before I will kill you myself. If the prince has fallen in love with you, let him come and pay your bride price. I'll take you home. If you leave this compound again and spend the night outside, you will not like the way I will handle it. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight! They call you useless and you give them the reason to call you that some more.
Kelechi.
What is it?
I didn't know. Kelechi. Mama. Is he sleeping? Papa, wake him up now. Is he sleeping?
Hey!
Kelechi, open your eyes now, please now.
You pleaded with me to come early. Now I'm ready to go with you. Why are you now telling me not to bother?
My friend, the royal family of Ishimeshi Kingdom is not comfortable with the fact that I am alive. They know about my planned arrival and have set up a deadly structure against me.
As I talk with you right now, all the warriors of the Ishimeshi Kingdom have been mobilized. They are all getting their charms ready, and I am certain they will arrest you and possibly kill you. I am pleading with you. Do not come to Ishimeshi tomorrow. Oh?
Thank you very much, my good friend Agozie. You have indeed proven to me that I have a reliable friend in you.
Oh, thank you very much, Atakata Abo. You see, this is why I like wise people. If it were to be some other people that I labor to come and warn, they will dismiss it as nothing. But here you are. You accepted it already. And now I know that you will live long.
Your advice came in good faith.
Thank you very much.
And that is why I'm thanking you.
Oh, you're welcome, my brother.
Well, I am sorry to disappoint you, my good friend.
You're not serious. How is that possible? Do you know the distance to Ishimeshi Kingdom?
That explains why I need to embark on this journey alone. I have my weird ways of accessing that kingdom. I need to make this journey alone.
Oh, please break it down. You want to use the appear and disappear technique of your Omabulokwe masquerade? I don't think that can work in a strange land.
I am happy you still refer to it as my masquerade, which means you still remember that I am the king, the founder of the masquerade cult. I know everything about it. I shall embark on this journey alone, my friend. I will come back for you when the time is right. Stay strong, my friend.
But he's very comfortable here. Why can't he just leave Ishimeshi Kingdom alone?
Oh yes, sir. I am just coming from Akpaka, the soothsayer. I want him to help me explain what happened to my son. Because as of yesterday, my son was very active. There was no sign of anything. So I wanted Akpaka to tell me why my son will suddenly go to sleep. I will not wake up. And then he told me that what happened to my son has something to do with Anonwebe. So I came to ask you, Onyeze, what does that mean?
Why is the Onowu asking me this? Onowu, how am I supposed to know? I was not there when you consulted the soothsayer. There is no way I would know the meaning of what he said. Yes. Now listen, Onowu. I may have claimed to be too many things. A seer, a soothsayer has never been one of them.
I never said you are a seer. And I never said you are a soothsayer. Yes. Anunwebe that we are talking about is the instrument of our forefathers, placed under your care as the king of this kingdom. The same instrument I was pleading with you only yesterday to lift and deliver my son, and you refused. Why is it that my son is suddenly dead? And a seer as reputable as Akpaka is telling me that it has something to do with Anunwebe, the same Anunwebe, under your custody. What does that mean?
Oh no. Are you saying that my father has a hand in what happened to your son?
Listen, I am not in a position to make accusations. Okay? But you know it yourself that Akpaka is not a man to be dismissed in a hurry. He said that what happened to my son has something to do with Anunebe. And I'm asking again, can somebody tell me what that means?
Oh no, listen. Other elders and council have revolted against my reign. Yes, they have gone to Ozo Kalibe to identify with him as their chief priest. Knowing the implications of this, should that not be a problem?
Can you deny you wearing the one who killed my son?
Get hold of yourself and do no stupid thing, no. You, of all people, cannot claim that you don't know me. I can venture the unimagined when provoked, and you know.
I already ventured the unimagined when I manipulated the process and made you king. Are you claiming you don't know I can repeat the same thing again?
No. You threaten my father before the throne?
I know this throne more than this throne knows itself. If they can bite me below my abdomen without minding my testicles, I am going to bite them in their heads without minding their brains.
Is it possible he knows what happened to his son? Where is the sacred staff of Anwene? Where is it?
I don't know how he is going to do it, but I am certain he will come.
How is it going to be possible when all the boundaries have been closed?
That young man founded a masquerade called Omabulokwe in Uruako. That masquerade has always been a mystery in that land. For it could disappear and appear. Nobody knows why he created that dreaded masquerade. It is for this occasion.
Omabulokwe. Omabulokwe, yes, sir.
I am here. Here is the box of my father. Now I am ready to perform the rituals that would connect me to my roots.
Yes, this is the box. This is the box.
I have brought you out, for they have touched me where it hurts most. Are you no longer the dreaded Abasisa that can set confusion where none exists? I am sending you to that compound that in my ignorance I transformed into a palace. If they knew nothing about what happened to my son, I'm asking you to protect them. I'm asking you to keep them and prosper them. But if they are the architects and the executors of what happened to my son, I set confusion in their midst, so that the blood of my son will be avenged. The blood of my son is going to rise, and will speak better things than the blood of those that took his life. Those that mother sleep must not sleep. Those that took the life of my son will know no peace in this land. That a masquerade can sing. It can only sing like Atum. That a masquerade can dance. It can only dance like Adam. And that a man has become deadly. He can only be as deadly as she or Dunze. Do you know who of Eshimeshi kingdom? More.
I still can't believe I will not see my brother again. He was very active. Why will he die so soon? Why?
The king is surprised. I am devastated. He was as good as an in-law. He had good plans for this kingdom.
Are you okay? Why are you looking around?
On a good day, mainly when the gods approve, Hanunebe can do all this. Why have I not thought of this all this while?
What are you talking about?
We just buried your brother. You shouldn't be here. Go home. I will come back for you.
My prince. Is he okay?
Killed by Anunebe. That means he will be buried and be forgotten. Why must such fate befall an energetic young man like Kelechi?
Well, I have grown to understand that we do not have to question the gods for whatever that happens. For it is very certain that they do have reasons for that.
It is possible. It is possible the gods finally punished him for his evil.
That is a possibility. But sincerely, I do not want to talk about that for now. I am more concerned about Atakata Abo.
And why are you concerned about him?
Strangely, I'm beginning to feel that I've not treated him fairly. And whenever the feeling comes, I feel very guilty.
Ada, I don't understand what you mean by that.
Okay. We were close before he proposed to me. We train every 2 days. He was very dedicated towards me. Suddenly, he proposed to me. And that was it. I started avoiding him. I stayed practically away from him. But whenever that feeling comes, I feel this emptiness within me. I don't know.
Teaching you how to fight is not the major reasons the gods brought me to you. As you can see, they have killed the zeal of fighting because it is no longer required. It is time to face the reason they brought us together.
What is the meaning of this? You came into my father's compound through the back track. Who showed you that road?
Ada, anyone can follow any road in a village such as this. If I were you, I would be more concerned with what you just said.
Omo. And by the authority of Anunebe, I declare myself Eze Omenkokulu of the Shimeshi Kingdom. What are you waiting for? Bow before your king.
Men of the Shimeshi Kingdom may toil with all things. They must not joke with the staff of Anunwebe. I advise you, take it back.
What's the meaning of that? You? A lousy, stupid, foolish, lazy, ordinary guard. Advise me? Oh. Okay. For daring me, I command you to drop dead!
What you are holding is the sacred staff of Anunwebe. On a good day, when the gods approve, it can do anything. It can kill anyone. We have had instances where it brought people back to life.
Did I declare myself king on a bad day? And if by any means today is a bad day, I command today to turn into a good day. Now, drop dead.
What is the meaning of this? What is going on here? Why are you adorned like this with the Anunwebe in your hands? I am talking to you! Come back here! What has come over you?
He who has the staff of Anunwebe is king. Bow before your king.
Obina!
Bow.
Bow. Are you pulling my legs, or you are telling me the truth?
I have no reasons to pull your legs. I am a man of this land and was led by the chief priest into the Osisimwu of Ibira village.
Eh?
I am here to stay. I am not going back.
Wait a minute. Are you telling me that you're not going back to Urako again?
I am not going back to Urako. If I ever go back there, it is to pick up the remaining belongings that I need. As I speak to you, Agozi and his friends are already cleaning up my father's abandoned compound. I only came to see you, to let you know that it is you, only you, and no one else but you.
Hey! You, a man of Urako that I met by chance, is now a man of my land. To the extent of being led into the Osisingu. Hey! I am still baffled.
It happened before your father. You can ask him when he returns. Point of correction. We never met by chance. Our meeting was ordained and planned by the gods.
I don't even know what to say anymore.
You know what to say. And I want you to say it.
What?
Say yes. Please, Ada. Say yes to me. And my return will make a world of sense to me.
What has come over you, Obinna? Vacate the throne and give me that staff immediately. I am talking to you! What is the meaning of this? Why are you here without the fool I sent you to arrest? Or are your other colleagues coming with him?
There is a deadly masquerade called Omabulokwe in Uruako Kingdom.
And what is my business with whatever masquerade they have in Uruako? What is my business?
The man you asked us to arrest founded the masquerade.
And all of you warriors of my land must get ready to travel to Uruako and steal that masquerade. As the king who holds the sacred staff of Anebe, that masquerade is what I need. And I need it now.
What is he talking about, my king? And why is he addressing himself as the king?
That is what we have been trying to handle. I don't know what has come over my son. Now, where is the man? His blood must be offered to salvage the situation. Where is the man?
That is what you're supposed to be telling the king. And not the useless tales about his masquerade. Onyeze, we seal the boundaries. In fact, other warriors are still securing the boundaries. But he entered into our kingdom with a strange power that enables him to appear and disappear.
What? You mean he is here already?
That is the problem, my king. And we gathered he already presented himself to Ozo Okalibe.
Now listen to me. This is an order from the king. Call back other warriors that are securing the boundaries. I want you to search everywhere in this kingdom and get him for me now!
And as the authentic king
who holds the sacred staff of Anebe, I counter that order. He is no longer the king. Go to Uruako. Get me the masquerade. I do not want the idiot who wears it. The masquerade is what I need. Get me that masquerade and get it now.
Golibe, I am shocked you have grudges against Ada because of the prince. She has nothing to do with the prince.
Onyinye, I never bore grudges against her. I am just bothered that she's always getting the best of everything.
And what do you mean by that? I mean, what has she got you consider the best of everything?
Oh, I can see you don't know. Well, I'll tell you. Atakata Abuo, that's one that used to come from Urako to teach her physical combat.
Yes. What about him? Must you seize every opportunity to remind us that your friend is a fighter?
Hey, stop there! What do you think you are doing? Working out on me? Hey! Hey! Somebody help me! Ada! Somebody help!
Ada, the king has requested that you should be brought to the palace with immediate effect.
I do not have any business with your king. He has no right to send for me.
He is not just our king. He is equally your king. And you must not have personal business with him before he could summon you.
As you can see, I am very busy. I don't have time.
What does that mean? You are so busy that you will not come and answer the king?
I can see that you fools are lazy bones and you don't have anything to do with your miserable time. Ulune, let's go back to work.
Ada! Ada! This is the height of it. What have you done? Attack the messengers of the king?
They attacked me first. What right do they have to come inside my farmland? They deserve what they got.
Do you know what? I was never with you today. And if they come for you, don't even call me as a witness because I will not come.
Don't be a coward, Ulune. Do not be a weakling. Men are humans like us. Do not allow them make you feel inferior. I will destroy anyone that looks for my trouble. I don't fear no one.
What? What?
Let me finish him. Let me finish him. You didn't see anyone fighting this.
Are you not to get?
What nonsense is this, Ada? Are you blind or what?
Am I dreaming or what? You nearly brushed me with your bicycle and you still have the mouth to talk rubbish.
Do you think I'm afraid of you? Apologize to me now or I'll give you a deep cut here and now.
Calm down, Onyinye. You run too much. That Atakata boy is interested in Ada. And he has already proposed to her. Are you serious? I am telling you what is going on. Atakata Abua has been proposing to her. And she keeps turning him down. He just arrived at her place and I am sure he came for the same thing.
So she has not even accepted. Why then are you making it look so big to us?
So much is happening in this kingdom. And it has become clear to me that my friend Ada is a special child. Like she always claimed. I don't know when you maidens will learn to live with that.
I am living with that already. She's always getting the best.
And I can tell you that Ada is very generous. Whatever she gains, she will share with her friends.
What is she sharing?
I had always known that there was something about me. It was evident as I was growing up. But the thing is that I couldn't pin exactly what it was.
There was no justice in this land. Iwe Akubweze assumed the position of the king, conspiring with Ichie Odunze, as he then was. But now do you know? They chased my father with a very powerful charm out of this village. A charm that was gotten from Olu. And then they made a declaration that Ozo or Kaligbo was no longer the chief priest. Now I see why the gods have chosen you. You are the link towards getting the injustice punished.
You are training this maiden the techniques of physical combat. And to the best of my knowledge, she is doing well. Why do you want to stop?
Wanikibe, I have been asking myself some questions. Why does a maiden want to suddenly become a fighter? What is she fighting for? And most importantly, she is going to be a mother. Wanikibia, this techniques is not good for her.
Atakata Abua, I will advise you not to stop. You were not the one that started it.
Wanikibia, are you saying that because I am not the one that started it, I cannot end it? Even when it is very clear to me that it is not good for her?
There's something about you. There's something about your roots, your life, your future that is connected to that maiden. You training her was an act of the gods. Calm down and allow them finish what they have started.
It boils down to what I have always said. The gods shouldn't be using a woman.
Who are we to question the gods? The gods have the right to do whatever they please. That is why they are the gods.
Atakatabo, we really have to calm down and understand what is going on. The truth is that I was telling my friend about you before you arrived. The truth is that I have true feelings for you. And it's natural. I would like to be your wife.
Then accept my proposal. I mean, you should know that
according to what we now know, the gods started something with the two of us. Have they achieved it? The answer is no. So I suggest we shelve this individual interest of ours and wait upon the gods to achieve theirs first. Something tells me it will be better that way.
I don't know what your plans are, but I'm advising you like a friend. Do not listen to Obina.
How can you say that? You want me to disobey the one that has the sacred staff of Anunnaki?
I live in that palace, and I am in a position to tell you that something is wrong. Kelechi was killed by the staff of Anunnaki. That is why he was buried and forgotten.
And what has the death of Kelechi got to do with the issue under discussion?
That same staff that killed Kelechi is the same staff Obina is abusing. Could there be a connection? Could it be you are a warrior and cannot read obvious meaning to the critical things happening around you?
You are bringing too many interpretations into this. What exactly are you saying?
The young man from Uruaku you were instructed to kill has been proven to be a man from this land. In fact, he has presented himself already to the chief priest of our land. Go see this man. Do not make a mistake. Something is connected to the gods. Find out what it is. You are a warrior. Act like one.
He was the one that named me Diono. But on the strength of what is happening now, I here relinquish that position. He killed my son simply to retain the same throne we acquired through evil means. I came to you, Ozo Kalibe, the chief priest of our land, to ask you for forgiveness. I am sorry. Help me pray to the gods and the ancestors of this land to forgive me for the atrocities I committed with Akubenza all these years. If they can forgive me, I vow in my honor to spend the remaining days of my life serving them.
When men move before the gods, they move towards destruction. It is a pity it has to be your son. I believe the gods allow the staff of Anunebe to kill him just to pay you back your evil.
His death has devastated me. I am now a shadow of my former self. Ozo Kalibe, I am pleading with you from the deepest part of my heart. Help me make this prayer to the gods and the ancestors. Let them understand I am now a new man. If this happens, I will spend the remaining days of my life doing only the right things in this kingdom.
Why are you misbehaving before the one who has the staff of Anebe? I am your king and you must respect me.
Obinna, you are evil. You are evil. So I was on the same bed with you, and you sneaked out to kill my brother?
Do not hold brief for your brother, for he does not deserve to live.
And you think you deserve to live?
Your brother was about to unleash terror in my land, kill my people, and declare himself king.
And you hurriedly killed him with the same instruments of our ancestors meant for the protection of this land. What does that make you? A decent man?
What are you doing here?
The chief priest of the land is here to see the king. I told him he went out. He insists on seeing you.
The chief priest? How dare you call Ozo Kalibe the chief priest?
The chief priest of our land is before the throne. You may meet him there.
Ebo my way, am I the one you are insulting?
Listen to me.
Why should I not kill this idiot that my father met, the chief guard? Why can't I kill you? Why should you insult me? Who is it to undermine my authority?
And you listen to me. For killing my brother, the gods will judge you. Bet me on this. Oh, you are leaving. You don't want to say anything. The gods will judge you! They will judge you!
have seers in your land. In fact, Ozo Okalibe, the chief priest, is there. Why haven't you made this inquiry from them? Why travel all this far to Bodonta to consult with a woman on something as elevated as the staff of Anonwebe?
Why Kibia, the beautiful woman of Obodonta? I will consider what you said as a mistake and would want to correct you immediately so that you don't make the same mistake again.
Your Majesty, you said I made a mistake? What mistake?
The man you called the chief priest of my land is no longer the chief priest. I personally removed him. So I feel insulted when you still refer to him as the chief priest of my land.
For your problem to be solved, Your Majesty, you must first recognize Ozo Okalibe as a priest of your land.
What did you just say? Are you confirming to me that you are equally briefed? Why are you insulting me?
Is this an attempt to provoke me or what? Why are you standing before the throne giving out orders as if you were king? Can't you see that I am king
Be
here?
very careful what you say before me. I am not here to join issues with a young man who has refused to hearken to the voice of reason.
And by this, you're referring to me? Have you seen why my father made the declaration? This man has no respect for constituted authorities. You have provoked me before. Do not provoke me again. Take this stupid, stinking man out of this place. Now!
Obina, why are you misbehaving before the chief priest of this land? He came here only to deliver a message to you. And you will not even allow him deliver the message? Control your exuberance and respect constituted authorities.
What useless message is he here to deliver? And what other useless authority is greater than Anebe? The summation of all powers in this kingdom. Take this man out of here.
Obina, you are insulting the chief priest of our land. And I am not with you on this.
See. Ozo Okalibe, my father whom you came to see is not here. So I order you, get out of this place now.
I am here to retrieve this sacred staff of Anunwebe that you and your father have continued to desecrate. Let me make one thing clear, Obina. I am not living here without the staff. Give it to me freely, or you force the spirits of this kingdom to give it to me their way.
Is he not the one who finally killed himself? For coming into this place and utter all the rubbish he has said with his mouth, I decree death upon him now!
Tell my father that he will find it under his bed.
What abunya na yenu ngongo na ngongo jusesi ayanya.
I do not know what you said is under your father's bed.
But one thing I am sure about is that you are the one that killed yourself.
Go and bury your son. The real custodian of the staff has taken it from those that took it by fraud and desecrated it all this while. The marriage is coming, and it will heal your land.
What are you talking about? I was the one that gave my son the staff for a specific purpose, which he carried out excellently. And then he refused to return it to me. I am here because my son has declared himself king. So what marriage are you talking about? Listen, my son will not marry that loose daughter of the Onowu, in case that is what you are indirectly talking about.
Your Majesty, I am not talking about human marriage. I'm talking about the marriage of powers. Marriage between the sacred staff of Anonuebe and the boss of his father. Your son killed himself with the staff, and the priest took the staff in preparation for the marriage.
What? When did that happen?
You move and plan like a man, and you never know the plans of the gods. You killed that young man by planting an evil seed in him. And now you will feel the pain you caused. Ichi Odunze. Submit yourself to the priest. That is the only way forward, Your Majesty.
As the leader of the warriors of this kingdom, I demand to know what is going on here. What is going on here is not your business. And it will be appreciated if you leave us now. Yes. Am I the one you are addressing in that manner?
Oh! Why are you looking for necessary trouble? We are here by the orders of the chief priest to get this hut ready for the one the gods brought back.
You are arranging this hut for that intruder from Uraku kingdom. I say it here and now that he has not been admitted by the king, and therefore he cannot stay here.
Here! This very hut!
So you have chosen to undermine the words of the one that the gods have elected and uphold the words of the one that elected himself. What does that make you? A decent warrior or a fool?
I see that you are the one.
Hold it there!
His Royal Highness, Igwe Akubeze of Eshimeshi Kingdom, the benevolent gods of your land will forgive you and give you a soft landing. All you need do is to submit yourself to the priest of your land. He will talk to the ancestors on your behalf.
Oh, shut up! You evil voice speaking abomination into my ears. I am the king of this land, and nobody must take me for granted. Nobody!
Why are you daring the gods? Why are you defecating on the same garden where you get your garden egg?
Listen to me. I will not exchange words with you. For you know I have never liked you from the beginning. Go in there and bring the sacred staff you stole from the palace. And there will be no need to command the warriors to set your house ablaze.
Ishi Odunze realized his mistakes and came before me to apologize. The gods forgave him.
Oh, shut up! What do you think you are? That I should apologize before you? As in, who are you?
That would have saved you from the evil wind coming with your sins. But you have refused to apologize. Your sins will sort you out. What is it?
Prince Obinna has just murdered the head warrior.
What is that supposed to mean? Who told you that? Is it my son that this evil man here has killed already? You are accusing of murder?
What? He died already? Was it his ghost? No, could that be why we didn't see him?
What you saw was not the prince. One of the spirits of death wore his body to end that fool who made himself a tool in the hands of evildoers.
And who are the people you refer to as evildoers? Who are the people?
The same people who conspired to bring a deadly sham from Olu to force a man of this kingdom into exile. He died in exile, for the sham was very strong. But he was able to give his son the box.
Why are you not talking about the staff you stole from the palace? Let me make one thing clear to you. Whatever ritual marriage you are planning will never see the light of day.
I am happy you know about the marriage already. The staff of Anunebe must combine with the box of the father to redefine the way forward for us. Repent before then, and there will be a solution. Stick to your evil, and you will be handled as part of the problem.
How?
You humbled yourself under my ministration. That is why I have elected to guide you towards the path of life, towards the path of honor. Why are you stubborn, Akubeze? Can you wage a war against an entire kingdom? Can't you see that you're standing alone?
You are a fool to think that. I am not alone. And I will prove that to you tomorrow. I am the king of this land. And no marriage will ever hold without my consent. Dare me tomorrow, and you shall see. Dare me, and we shall see. Dare me!
When a man is told the truth and decides to believe in lies, nobody will be held responsible.
So after everything I did for you, you think you can conspire with Okalibe to bring me down?
Nobody is bringing you down, for I was part of the problem. Why don't you consider doing what I did?
Shut up! How dare you advise me to do what you did? What do you think you are?
You went and apologized to him because you are a fool. What makes you think I am as stupid as you are? What makes you think so?
The death of your son was supposed to have humbled you. For you to start talking like a normal human being. Why are you still talking tough as if you have got what it takes to challenge the gods?
You killed my son. Because you believed I killed your son, right?
Point of correction, your son killed himself. Because he failed to stop when he was supposed to. I look at you and I wonder why you are still alive. I feel like killing you. And sincerely killing you will make me happy. That is the only thing that will make me feel joy.
Killing me will give you joy. I see. You are now confirming to me that you've been planning all along to kill me. But let's see how it goes. Let's see.
Father, how do you want me to get involved?
How?
The blood of my brother is still crying, calling for justice.
Likewise, the blood of those he killed. They call for justice. I'm sorry to tell you this, my very beautiful daughter, but anyone who has killed another is living at the mercy of the gods. Your brother killed some people, and sincerely, he does not deserve to live. Get used to that.
Guys! Guards! Guards! How dare you look at me like that? Won't you bow before your king?
I waited to give you an important message.
What message?
Before your son died, he asked me to tell you that you'll find it under your bed. I don't know what that could be, but I believe you will need it for what is about to befall you.
Hey! Hold it right there, Igbomiwe. Is it because I ignored the crime of you talking to me without first greeting that you dare walk out on me? No, do you know I can kill you right here, right now?
Before Obinna met his death, he tried to kill me with the sacred staff of our...
What are you waiting for? Bow before your king.
Men of Ishimeshi kingdom may toil with all things. They must not joke with the staff of Anunwebe. I advise you, take it back.
What's the meaning of that? You?
A lousy, stupid, foolish, lazy, ordinary guard. Advise me?
Oh. Okay. For daring me, I command you to drop dead! Did I declare myself king on a bad day? And if by any means today is a bad day, I command today to turn into a good day. Now, drop dead!
But he didn't succeed. I am a man standing with the gods. Do not make the same mistake. It may backfire.
I am aware that you have been with Kelechi all through the period he unleashed terror in this land.
Yes.
And today, we are gathered here for something sacred. And you, as a criminal, are not supposed to be here.
I am very sorry, Thiago. I don't understand why you still refer to me as a criminal. I have performed the purification sacrifice to the central deity of this land, and I have been declared sanctified. Of course, yes, I may have been a criminal before, but not anymore, Ichie.
Yes, Ichie. And considering the noble role he played during the marriage of your daughter and our friend Atakata Abuo, you shouldn't be calling him a criminal. It is a new dawn in the Shimeshi kingdom, and our elders should learn to forgive and forget.
Eye of the gods. I was expecting you should arrive with the very young man that brought this box. Or are you saying that the marriage of powers can hold without him?
There are indications from the gods that that young man is the next king of this kingdom. Because of that, it will not be part of the marriage of powers. We will give him feedback after.
Listen, my plan is to take the box of the father without killing anyone. But if it finally warrants that some people must die, let it be. I want this operation to be perfect, and I vow in my honor to give you part of my kingdom. Yes, it is done, Your Highness.
The marriage of powers that will bring justice to our land. Adagu fought all alive, and people said that she was possessed. Today we know, through Okushe the goddess, that she was fighting for justice. I hereby join the staff of Anunwebe with the boss of the father. Let the process.
By the power of gunpowder, I order you to stop.
Who are you to interrupt this process?
The process is unacceptable to the king. I must live with this box. Try to stop me, and I will kill somebody.
I am happy that you are now the king. This is indeed a new era in our land. Just that I had expected to be part of the climax.
The climax was the marriage of powers. It is quite unfortunate that the chief priest said it could only be witnessed by men only. But not to worry. It's a nice experience. The most important thing is that I'm happy that our land is clean again.
Yes. To be honest, I'm still dumbfounded the way the gods brought us together. From physical combat to marriage of powers.
A process that gave me back my roots. A process that gave me this kingdom. A process that gave me the most beautiful woman on earth as my queen. I will love you forever.
And I will love you more. You mean the whole world to me. And together, we shall bring peace, unity, and prosperity to this land. Come.